Hello, and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. Our question today comes from Hannah, who lives in Zone 7A, and her question is, can you harvest pea shoots at 6 inches when topped with tendrils? You know, Hannah, this is a really great question. So I have overgrown my pea shoots from time to time, and I found that the stems are really tough if you cut them and eat them at 6 inches. But if you will harvest just the last 3 inches of the shoot, they're pretty tender. So these are the trays that we do. And this one's just about ready to harvest. I like them about 3 inches long. But I can start to see the little tendrils starting to come. So hers were probably about this tall. And so what you want to do is just cut that top 3 inches, eat that, and then you can actually save the bottom and see if they'll shoot again. So there is that option that they may do that. So just leave them in the tray and try again. All right, so if you have a garden question that you'd like answered, go ahead and send us an email. The address is in the description below. Also, if you'd like to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce in only 128 square feet with only a 15-minute-a-day commitment, go ahead and sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. It's free, it's online, and you can find it on our website, thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. So you can sign up there, or I'll put a link in the description below.